Now that I think about it, I really feel that we place too much value on money. You know, the work ethics is great. Bartering is great as far as, figuring out ways to do things. But I really honestly feel that we waste a lot of money thinking that money is everything. Money is a tool used to get capital gain, to get income, but you don't necessarily have to use money. Sometimes the things you have you can trade for money and vice versa. And sometimes the things you have is more valuable than the money. So, I think everybody value $100 different. Some people value $100 as a 8 hour day. Some people value $100 as a week pay. Some people value $100 out, man. That's just an hour worth of work. So I think the value that you set on money is going to help you overcome your limitations once you really see the value of money. Once you really see that the US dollar isn't what you think it is. Like, you think you got a dollar in your pocket. You really ain't got a dollar in your pocket. I'm not gonna just throw no theories out there at you, but I will throw some facts. I would just tell you this: that dollar in your pocket ain't even worth 50 cents. Think about that. Hold on.